Hi Jen, this is Kelly Carlisle, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. It was great speaking with you yesterday. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in some more clients. So today I want to go through website content, the Google Business Profile or Maps, and the importance of keywords and backlinks. And then finally, how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is one of the most valuable tools that you can have, a website. I see that you don't have a website currently. I recommend even a simple website to start. The opportunity that you're missing out on by not having one is pretty big. When somebody needs a service, they go to their phone, tablet, computer, and they do a search for what it is that they need. And even then, they rarely go past that first page in those results before deciding on somewhere to click or call. So if we need new gutters, for example, we would put in that keyword, gutter installation Tampa, for example, into that search. And I've done that here. A keyword is just that search term that's used by a potential client that's searching for your service. So if we look at our search results, it looks like Gutter Doctor Inc. shows up in that top position. So let's just take a quick peek at their website to see how that's helping them. Okay, so I have their site up here. If I'm in the shoes of that potential client, the site is visually appealing. It loads quickly. It has all of these main points that I'm looking for. And it helps me determine if I want to call them or not. It shows the services that they provide, and it also looks like it shows that the areas that they serve, which is also important. I want to know as a potential client that they are going to do the service that I'm looking for, and that they're actually going to come to the area that I live. It also looks like they have quite a bit of content, which makes Google think that they might be the professionals that I'm looking for, and will bring that site back to the search results. It looks like this site has right around 1,400 words on their homepage. And when I talk about content, I mean all of the words that's on this front page, to include pictures and what's behind these pictures here. You need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in those keywords that are needed to bring your site to the top of the search results. So once again, we've done a search for Gutters Tampa. And the first thing that we see here are ads that are related to the search. And the next thing that we see is what we call the map pack. And you'll want to get yourself here in the top 3. Because as you can see, it's one of the first things that pops up in that results page. And you can get to the top of this map pack by filling out your Google Business Profile completely, and then including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google is going to give you more score authority for sites that are relevant to your search. And they're also going to help you rank higher in the maps. You want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition here, and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work, and I look at site metrics, and it helps me with my SEO analysis. It's available to anyone with a monthly subscription. So let's take a look at your competition site for reference. We see here that they have 57 referring domains, giving them 641 backlinks. And backlinks are just that. They're just a website that's sending a link back to your site. And here, really, it's about the quality of the backlinks and less about the quantity. Quantity is important, but here it's really more important about the quality. Not all links are created equal, so that link that you obtain is far more effective when you have an industry relevant site that is linking back to you. So for example, Having a remodeling or a roofing company linking your site on their page would be far more powerful than that local restaurant that might be doing the same thing. So here in this site, we can also pick apart keywords. We can look and see what keywords are working well for the competition and decide which ones are relevant to you. And then you would put that into your own website. You would plug these keywords into your own website. So you'll recall that we did a Google search for gutters Tampa. And right now, 250 people every month are searching for gutters Tampa. And currently, 30 of them are going to your competition's site. So let's say you have your website built, your keywords have started to come together, your backlinks have started to come together, and you've started to outgrow your competition. So this is what you might be expecting in that position. And this is why it's also so important to your business. So let's assume now you're in that top spot and this traffic is now yours. And then let's assume that you close 50% of this traffic, 50% of these calls. And that's pretty typical for this industry. That would mean that you're closing right around 15 jobs per month just from your online presence alone. Now 15 jobs per month. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I do anticipate that this would generate some pretty decent revenue for you. So this is what I do for a living, and I absolutely love it. I've created this video to help you generate your own leads online using these tips that I've given you today. All I ask is that you give me just a little bit of feedback on the video. Tell me what worked well for you and what didn't. Even one line is very helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add even more value to the small businesses that I work with every day. I would also love to see your company in this #1 position. I look forward to your feedback. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.